Okay, and on deck I need Release versus Robot. All right. On my right, Rhematic. On my left, Faysliss. DJ Horsefist on the ones and twos. Let's go, 2 rounds.
Get it. Take that stuff, Adam. Come on.
All right, he's gathering his chakra, and he's come on, somebody go out, man. All right, Rhematic, y'all. Round 1. Judges, y'all good? All right, they're good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Rhematic is the winner, y'all. Make some noise for Faysliss, aka Faysliss of the Hidden Beat Village. All right.